Yeah. Sig Milkshake. KubeCon Amsterdam.
Hi, my name is Abdallah and I'm product lead at KubeCon Gateway. We've been here for 3 days and now we're wrapping up at KubeCon. It's been amazing to talk to people with similar problems that we face and making connections with those. The presentations were amazing. The keynotes presentation from the second day and the third day were also great. And it's been a great experience.
Hey everyone, my name is Marino Wijay. I'm a developer advocate at Solo. You know, I'm here because KubeCon is amazing, but one of the reasons I come out here is for a couple of reasons. The hallway track. I normally try to make a couple of sessions, but it's the actual track where you meet people and you can interact with them, learn from them, hear from their experiences, hear their perspectives about some of the talks that they actually attended, is why I come here. The second reason is the people. Quite honestly, there are so many people that provide impact, that provide value, that have given so much to the community, that help grow the community, that it's almost like, you know, I want to meet these people. But it's funny because all these people also want to meet each other and they just want to continue to grow the community. They want to welcome people. They want to be inclusive. And I will say, I was truly inspired coming out to this KubeCon event because I learned that so many people have a desire, a strong interest to get into the world of developer relations. There are a lot of people that want to break into security in the world of Kubernetes. Security is a very interesting theme here. I've been seeing it a lot all over the place. So what I have to say to y'all is, this is a call to action. The next time you see a CFP out there for KubeCon, I want y'all to submit because that's what I'm gonna do. And guess what? Amsterdam's CFP is still open until the 18th of November, so go check it out.
Hi, my name is Fatima and I work at GitLab. This was my first KubeCon. It was really great to meet a lot of our community members in person and also get to know some of the vast community and community contributors on the CNCF ecosystem.
Hi, I'm Matt Bader with Casting by Veeam. It has been an awesome KubeCon, a lot of great conversations with customers about the increasingly interesting things they're doing with the platform. So just happy to be here and part of the process.
Hi, my name is Edidio Asipo. KubeCon has been great. It's been great to meet a lot of people again. I attended my first KubeCon early this year in Valencia, right? So this is like a whole different experience, cool weather, meeting new people that I didn't get to meet in Valencia that couldn't come. And it's also been great learning. I really loved a particular talk about imposter syndrome, which talked about how to manage it, tips that you can use to become better. And I feel like no matter what stage in your career you reach, people always have imposter syndrome at some point in life. So it was definitely fantastic to hear that and also see other people struggling with the same thing. So it's been great. Looking forward to the next KubeCon.
What's up, friends? Lee Kapili here at KubeCon. And there's really an incredible vibe here in the project pavilion. I love talking with all of the maintainers. We've got like the Flux booth over there, awesome folks at Helm, and then I think some of the most interesting happening things on the floor here is if you can find the people from Fermion, all of this stuff with Wasm runtime, right? Docker has Wasm runtime merged in there. But what would KubeCon be without the hallway track, right? And without a SIG late night. So shout out to Kunal behind the camera for buying me pizza last night. I took it shamelessly and I was very happy because it was delicious.
Hi, hello everyone. I'm Vivian from Second State. I came from Beijing for the KubeCon. It's my first time to attend the KubeCon in person. It's a developer fest. I like this conference. I want to go back again.
Hi, I'm Philip. I'm a developer advocate at Permit.io. Some of you might know me as developer Philip from YouTube. And I'm loving the KubeCon experience. It's it's a thing that I think every developer is looking forward to. The swag, meeting the awesome companies, and just especially meeting other people and making those awesome connections.
I really enjoyed the KubeCon. It all started with a short 5K run back at Renaissance. I really enjoyed different sessions, and then I spent a lot of time at the booths. So everybody is walking by talking about like the product launch.
Hi, I'm Riley. This is my second KubeCon, and it's been so much fun getting back in person, getting to meet everyone here. I've had a great time, and I'm already looking forward to Amsterdam.
Oh, hi, I'm Nathan from Robusta Dev, and I think one thing that people don't often talk about at KubeCon, I want to say thank you to all the spouses and kids who are back at home while we're away for a whole week. Thank you very much, and we couldn't do any of this without you.
Hi all, Lakshmi here from India. It's my second KubeCon and I'm really enjoying it. The technical sessions, networking, especially the solution showcase that's going on around here, it's awesome.
This was my third or fourth KubeCon after a while, because I used to attend KubeCons back in 2017, 2018, 2019, and then I took a break from Kubernetes, but now I'm back in Kubernetes with Loft Labs. And this experience was really good, especially for Loft. A lot of talks and speaking sessions mentioning vCluster, so that was really awesome.
Yeah, I'm Nick. I'm with Clockwork, and yeah, the Kubernetes experience and KubeCon experience has been really awesome. Getting to meet a lot of new cool folks who are working on a lot of similar things, and yeah, just getting to interact with the community has been huge, and kind of see what they're working on and seeing them get excited about what we're working on. I think that's been really cool.
My name is Tiffany Japcha and I work at Vox Media. So far my KubeCon experience has been very exciting. This is my first one and it was super cool because I got to speak at one of the co-located events, the DOK Data on Kubernetes community, and it was super great to meet people in person. I'm now meeting more people in person, so that's really great as well. The swag is really cool, the sessions are really great, and the food is really cool too. So yeah, I hope everyone's been enjoying their days, and if you all get a chance to come to KubeCon, please do.
Hi, I'm Divya, and so far my KubeCon has been hectic, but so much fun, and I hope, whoever's watching has also had the same amount of fun that I have had here.
KubeCon experience-wise, it's been great to actually meet the people that I'm interacting with from a Twitter and a community perspective. We haven't obviously had the chance for that. So I think that's been massively important, but also to attend the first KubeCon, hear about what's new, what's coming, and all of that good stuff has been awesome.
Hi, my name's Daniel Bryant, Head of Dev at Ambassador Labs. KubeCon has been amazing. It is the place to catch up with all the folks in the Cloud Native community, loving hearing about the latest project developments, connecting with folks, and it's just been, it's been amazing, but I'm also looking forward now to relaxing and chilling out for a few days, absorbing all this knowledge.
Hi, I'm Priyanka Ravi. I also go by Pinky. I'm a developer experience engineer at Weaveworks, and I have been at the Flux project booth in the project pavilion this whole time. And honestly, I actually have been to the last 3 KubeCons that have been back in person, and this is by far the most the biggest one so far. And it's been really awesome getting to talk to people that are, in the industry that are using the project. And I'm looking forward to following up with the people that I've met already. Super awesome crowd.
I would just love to say that this is by far the best KubeCon experience that I've ever had, just because of the sheer amount of new companies and new projects that have come up, and the focus on getting more and more projects within the CNCF and showing them a face. So those, and apart from that, the Contrib Fests have been really nice, because I've seen a lot of new developers coming in and making their first ever contributions to some of the most popular CNCF projects. So I feel that in all, the networking, the learning experiences that you got at this KubeCon were unparalleled, and I just expect to see more number of people coming in for next year's KubeCon at Amsterdam.
Hi, I'm Zoe. I run community and events for Equinix Metal, and I've had a great KubeCon experience. I got to catch up with all my friends, I got to do some karaoke last night, and I got to talk to some really amazing partners and customers, and I got to see some of my teammates, so it was great.
My KubeCon experience has been absolutely brilliant as usual. And not really that much to talk about outside of the social. That's predominantly why I'm here. And yeah, feeling a little bit worse for wear after all the parties. So if you're thinking about coming to KubeCon, make sure you bring lots of paracetamol, lots of ibuprofen, because it is a lot of fun.
In the next one, I think it's going to be in Amsterdam. I'm looking forward to reconnect with these folks to see where these projects are landing and how far we've gone as a community in the Cloud Native Computing Foundation.
I love about KubeCon that I can meet with the community, friends, old and new, exchange ideas, feel inspired.
What am I looking forward to in the next KubeCon? You know, I was doing a podcast with Kazlin, shout out to the Kubernetes podcast. And can we like have parties that maybe aren't like focused on booze? Maybe we can do like a SIG boba, SIG bubble tea for the East Coast people, yeah? Or like a SIG milkshake, yeah. SIG milkshake, KubeCon Amsterdam.